Hello students, today our lecture 3 on Fourier transform. In lecture first we already do some formulas of Fourier transform. Number 1, complex transform. This is Fs equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi minus infinity to infinity fx e power I sx dx. इस फार्मूले को हम यूज करेंगे जब हमें किसी भी फंक्शन की फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालनी है. Now second formula is Fourier sine transform. Fx equal to f of fx equal to fs equal to under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity fx sin sx dx. अगर हमें किसी गिवन फंक्शन की साइन ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालनी है, फोरियर साइन ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालनी है, तो हम सेकंड फार्मूले को यूज करते हैं. देन अगर हमें किसी फार्मूले की कोसाइन ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालनी है, फोरियर कोसाइन ट्रांसफॉर्म, देन वी यूज फार्मूला थर्ड fs equal to under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity fx cos sx dx. ये फार्मूलेस हमने लेक्चर 1 में सब डिस्कस किए थे, उन्हीं को आज हम यूज करेंगे और उन पर बेस कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स को हम आज सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, ओके. सो आवर फर्स्ट प्रॉब्लम ऑफ लेक्चर थर्ड इज find the Fourier transform of the function fx equal to 1 and 0 for mod x less than a and mod x greater than a. ये फंक्शन हमें गिवन है fx इक्वल टू 1 फॉर mod x लेस देन a एंड 0 फॉर mod x ग्रेटर देन a. इस फंक्शन की हमें फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालनी है. सॉल्व करेंगे. यूज करेंगे इसमें जो फार्मूले हमने लिखे थे उसमें फर्स्ट फार्मूला जो हमारा फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म कैलकुलेट करने का उसको यूज करेंगे. द फोरियर ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ द फंक्शन fx is fs equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi minus infinity to infinity fx e power I sx and dx. fx is given according to question. fs equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi minus a to a according to this function. fx is 1 e power I sx and dx. Because mod x less than a, or this is x is from minus a to a, इसको हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. Now we integrate this function 1 upon under root 2 pi e power I sx upon is, and limit is minus a to a. Apply the limit minus a to a on this function 2 pi e power I as upon is minus माइनस ए रिप्लेस करेंगे x की जगह e पावर माइनस I as अपॉन is. ओके, and this is the value of this integration. Now we solve some more steps of this problem. fs equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root 2 pi and 1 upon is. This is e power I as minus e power minus I as. Now we multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator. 1 upon 2 pi 2 upon is and e power I as minus e power minus I as upon 2. ये हमने यहाँ पर 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया दोनों, तो ये फार्मूले की फॉर्म ले ली है इसने. दिस इज द फार्मूला ऑफ साइन एंड कोस. we use this I in this side. So fs equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi and 2 upon s e power I as minus e minus I as upon 2i. Or this is the value of 1 upon under root 2 pi 2 upon s and this is the value of sine as, or this is under root 2 upon pi into 1 upon into sine as upon s. This is our final answer. This is the Fourier transform of given function. This is the answer of this function. Now we take second problem on this topic on based on second formula. Question number 2. Find the Fourier transform of Fourier transform of fx equal to 1 minus x square and if x is less than equal to 1, 0 if x is greater than 1. Again हमें सेकंड प्रॉब्लम करनी ऑन फार्मूला फर्स्ट. द Fourier transform of fx is fs equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi minus infinity to infinity fx e power I sx and dx. Now we replace the value of fx according to question. fs equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi minus infinity to infinity and minus 1 to 1 1 minus x square e power I sx and dx. E power I sx and dx. Here we change the question. Mod x is less than 1 and mod x is greater than 1. According to this, we break the mod x in minus 1 to 1. Then we use the minus 1 to 1 limit here. Other values are 0 of this equation, that is minus infinity to minus 1 plus minus 1 to 1 plus and 1 to infinity. this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So we solve only integration cycle here. This is okay. Now we use here formula for this integral by parts, integration by parts, and a very important formula, since integral uv dx, or this is equal to uv1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 minus u triple dash v4 प्लस डैश डैश। इस फार्मूले को यहाँ पर यूज करेंगे। यहाँ पर जो u है, u फर्स्ट फंक्शन एंड v सेकंड फंक्शन। तो फर्स्ट फंक्शन एज इट इज, सेकंड इंटीग्रेशन माइनस u डैश डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन, अगेन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकंड फंक्शन, देन प्लस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ फर्स्ट फंक्शन, अगेन इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ सेकंड फंक्शन। इस फंक्शन को हम तब तक यूज करेंगे जब तक हमारा ये u फंक्शन और ये v फंक्शन, ये u फंक्शन जीरो ना हो जाए, तब तक इस फार्मूले को हम अप्लाई करते रहते हैं। फर्स्ट टर्म प्लस, सेकंड माइनस, प्लस माइनस, प्लस माइनस की फॉर्म हमेशा रहेगी, ठीक है। इसको अप्लाई करेंगे। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, वी अप्लाई दिस फार्मूला। fs इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन अंडर रूट 2 पाई integral minus 1 to 1 and 1 minus x square e power I s x dx. This is 1 upon root 2 pi 1 minus x square integration of second function e power I s x upon I s minus 2x differentiation of first function, again integration of first function, second function, e power I s x upon I square s square, then plus differentiation of first function minus 2, again integration of second function, e power I s x upon I cube s square, s cube, or limit is minus 1 to 1. Now apply the limits. First we solve I here, and our calculation is going 1 minus x square e power I s x upon I s minus I square is minus 1 and minus minus plus minus x into e power I s x upon s square, then I cube is minus 1 into I, and minus 1 plus, this is plus 2 e power I s x upon I s cube. This is the value of this term. Now we apply the limit here. Upper limit minus lower limit. 1 minus x square, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. First value is 0. Second, minus e power I s upon s square, and third value is plus 2 e power I s upon I s cube. Now we apply the lower limit, minus 1 in place of x. So this is again 0, minus 0, then minus minus plus, this is minus lower limit, minus minus plus, and so again minus. X is 1 e power I s upon s square, then माइनस टू ई पावर, माइनस बाहर से आ रहा है साइन, उसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हुए आ रहे हैं एंड यहाँ पर लोअर लिमिट माइनस है, के अकॉर्डिंग ई पावर माइनस आई एस अपॉन एस क्यूब इंटू आई. Now we solve this integration, some more steps, and we get the final answer of this function. Here this term and this term we taking common as s square, 1 upon under root 2 pi minus 1 upon s square, minus 1 upon s square, so this is minuses. E power I s and plus e power minus I s. Now we take second and fourth term. This is plus 2 by I s cube as a common. Here we get e power I s and minus e power minus I s. So same here. We change this both values in sine and cosine formula. 1 upon under root 2 pi minus 1 upon s square e power is plus e power minus is upon 2, and we multiply here 2 plus 2 upon s cube e power is minus e power minus is upon 2 से हम यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और 2 से नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, i हमारे पास है, i को यहाँ पर ले जाएंगे. तो दिस इज द फार्मूला फॉर साइन. We write the final form of this transform, fs equal to 1 upon under root 2 pi minus 2 upon s square into cos s plus 4 upon s cube sin s. Upon s cube sin s. This is the final answer, and we here also common sum terms here. So we write this 4 upon under root 2 pi into s cube. ये हमने यहाँ से कॉमन ले लिया, 4 upon s cube. 4 upon s cube लेंगे तो minus 2 cos. Now we take 4 by s cube as a common here, and we get the final answer, fs equal to 4 upon under root 2 pi s cube sin s minus 2s. Now we solve third problem on Fourier sine transform of e power minus ax upon x as is positive, and also find the Fourier sine transform of 1 by x. This is very important question. We know that Fourier transform of fx is fs equal to under root 2 upon pi integral 0 to infinity fx sin sx dx. This is equation number 1. here fx is e power minus x upon x, so we replace the value of x here. Fs equal to under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity e power minus ax upon x into sine sx dx. This is equation number 2. Now differentiate equation 2 with respect to s, both sides. Differentiating equation 2 with respect to s, both sides. D upon ds of fs equal to under root 2 upon pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax upon x, and differentiation of sin x is cos sin sx is cos sx, and differentiation of sx is s x. Differentiation of sx is with respect to s is x into dx. Here x cancel by x, we get under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity e power minus ax into cos sx ds. Now we integrate this part. We also solved this part earlier in a question. D upon ds of fs equal to under root 2 upon pi e power minus ax upon a square plus s square into b s sin sx minus a cos sx, and limit is 0 to infinity. Apply the limit. Upper limit is infinity and lower limit is 0. 2 upon pi. If we put infinity in place of x, we get the value 0. E power minus infinity is 0. And if we put 0 in place of x, we get the value minus e power 0 is 1. 1 upon a square plus s square into sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1 minus a. This is equal to under root 2 upon pi a upon s square plus a square. This is the value of fs t upon ds. Now we integrate this equation with respect to s. Fs equal to under root 2 upon pi integral a upon s square plus a square ds, or this is equal to under root 2 upon pi a into 1 upon a tan inverse s upon a plus constant of integration c. Now we find the value of c. Here we get the final answer. If s equal to 0, then fs equal to 0. Therefore, this is equation number 3rd. Therefore, from equation 3rd, 0 equal to 0 plus c, that is c equal to 0. Now put the value of c in equation number 3. Fs equal to under root 2 upon pi tan inverse s upon a. This is the answer of first part of this question. Now we find out the sign transform of 1 upon x. cosine transform of 1 upon x. Fx equal to, in second part given, fx equal to 1 by x. Then we know that the Fourier sine transform fs equal to under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity fx sine sx dx. Now put the value of fx here. Under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity 1 by x into sine sx dx. Now apply substitution method, putting sx equal to theta, s dx equal to d theta, and here x equal to theta upon s. Now we check the limit of this integration. If x is 0, then limit of theta is 0, and if x is infinity, then limit of theta is infinity. The limit is same, under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity sine theta upon s into dx is theta upon s. Here s cancel by s, we get the value 2 by pi 0 to infinity sine theta upon theta into d theta. Now the value of this definite integral is, after solution, is pi by 2 under root 2 upon pi, and value of this integration is pi by 2. Now we get the value of this integration is under root pi by 2. Therefore, Fourier transform of 1 by x, sine transform of 1 by x is under root pi by 2. Okay students, so this is the third problem for Fourier sine transform. Now we take a problem on Fourier cosine transform. Question number 4. Find the Fourier cosine transform of fx equal to e power minus 2x plus e power माइनस 3x. एक फंक्शन गिवन है fx इक्वल टू e पावर माइनस 2x प्लस e पावर माइनस 3x. इसका हमें फूरियर कोसाइन ट्रांसफॉर्म निकालना है, तो जल्दी से इसको करते हैं. We know that Fourier cosine transform fs equal to under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity fx cos sx dx. Cos sx dx. This is equation number 1. Now we put the value of fx here. Fs equal to under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity fx is e power minus 2x plus e power minus 3x into cos sx dx. Now we separate both the integration here. Under root 2 upon pi 0 to infinity e power minus 2x cos sx dx plus under root 2 upon pi integral 0 to infinity e power minus 3x cos sx dx. Now we calculate these two integration and add them. We get the value of fs. We also solved this type of problem already. So now we put the value of these both integration directly. The value of first integration is under root 2 upon pi 2 upon s square plus 4 under root 2 upon pi as a common and plus (12 upon s square plus 9). This is the value of fs. We solve one more step of this question. We get the value 2 root 2 upon under root pi and 1 upon s square plus 4 plus 6 upon s square plus 9. This is our answer. तो इस टाइप से हम अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स जो भी फूरियर कोसाइन साइन एंड फूरियर इंटीग्रेशन पर बेस है उनको हम कर सकते हैं. तो इससे रिलेटेड अगर आप कोई भी आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स हो तो आप मुझे कमेंट्स में पूछ सकते हैं. ठीक है. दिस इज अवर lecture 3 on Fourier transform. So today we finish all the problems of Fourier transform. Now we take next lecture on convolution theorem. Okay, thank you.